Hey guys, it's Nikki here from Little Home Comforts, and today we are getting our new Palladio door fitted, which I am super excited about. If you have a new build home or know anything about new builds, you'll know that they come with a heap of problems, and for us, the front door has been one of those. The lock especially just gets stuck and you're messing around trying to lock it, and when you've got a little toddler with no patience, it's no good. Also, it leaks really bad. Last week, prime example of when Ash was jet washing the front of the house and flooded the hallway. So yeah, we're going with a full solid black front door with the black frame, which I just think is going to look so nice. And I've decided to get a really decorative doorknob as well, which will just completely finish it off and make it look so good. We're halfway through the door fitting now and it's already looking insane. What do you think of our new door, Harley? Do you like it? Yeah. Say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
No, show thumbs up. Yay! And here it is, our final front door. There is a few finishing touches that still need adding, but when they're on, it's going to look perfect. When I went for a all black door, I did get questions if I was worried about it fading because of the sun, but I don't need to worry about that because Palladio doors all come with a foil finish, so there's no chance of it fading. And also, just for that extra peace of mind, it comes with a 12 years manufacturer's guarantee also. So if you are in the market for a front door, I would 100% recommend Palladio. They have a really cool gadget on their website where you can design your dream door. You can even upload a photo of your current door to see exactly what it will look like. Thank you so much, Palladio, and I hope you love our new door.